let's start out simple. What's brought you here today?
Well, lately I've been feeling a little withdrawn, a little grumpy. My mom forced me to come, but I'd rather be at home.
And when did you feel jumpy?
Mostly when I'm out of the house. When I leave, that is.
Do you not enjoy leaving the house?
No, I feel more comfortable by myself.
Alright. And let's talk about friends. How many close friends would you say you have?
A few, I guess.
And do you feel that your relationship with them is strong?
I spend a lot of time with them at school.
And outside of school?
Not really, but they still mean a lot to me.
And why do you not see each other outside of school?
Why would I want to take the chance and ask them? They might say no.
So you would say you fear their rejection?
Yeah, I guess so.
And would you say you fear rejection from your family as well as your friends?
Not as much, no.
Would you mind telling me a bit about your family?
Oh, I have a mom and a dad. My dad works in an office. My mom doesn't work at all. I like my mom a lot. We're both very quiet people, I guess. I also have a brother and sister. They're twins. They're both younger than me.
And do you enjoy being the eldest?
No, the standards are way too high. You must be perfect, have a job. The oldest child must be set for life at the earliest moment possible.
I understand. You stated earlier that your siblings were twins. How do you feel that affects your relationship with them, if at all?
I feel it affects my relationship with my sister rather than my brother, just because we are both girls and have a better understanding of each other, I guess. Both me and my sister are high school girls and are going through a lot of the same stuff, but school-wise, my parents' expectations for her are higher because of my learning disability. My parents just want me to pass with an average mark, while they expect my sister to get all A's.
And you have a learning disability. Would you mind sharing with me what that is?
Do I have to?
No, of course not. We don't have to discuss anything you feel uncomfortable with. But remember, this is a safe place, and it may help to understand a bit better why you've been feeling the way you have. I won't press, though.
I have trouble in reading and writing, that's all.
All right. And do you feel that plays a large role in your life?
Yeah, definitely.
You said earlier at the start of our session that you've been feeling withdrawn and jumpy lately. When did these feelings start?
They started getting more severe a few weeks ago. I think it's because of the Christmas party coming up soon.
Is that a family party?
No, a high school party.
And why has this upcoming party stirred up these feelings?
Because I don't really want to go.
And why would you say that is?
What if something happens?
Well, like what? What kind of something?
I don't know.
Alright, you don't know. Do you go to parties often, would you say?
No, this would be my first party.
And why is this party the one that you're contemplating going to?
Because, I don't know, I'm afraid.
And do you know the people that will be going?
Yeah, they're my friends.
So it can't be that you're afraid of not knowing anybody else at the party.
No, I'm afraid I'll do something stupid and my friends will laugh at me.
Have they done that before?
No, but maybe they can.
Alright. Have you ever been to a psychiatrist before, Nicole?
Yes, I was diagnosed with a learning disability
And how long ago was that?
when I was a kid, about 7 or 8.
When you went to the psychiatrist, did you receive any other diagnoses?
Yeah, ADD.
Alright. How about your sleeping?
I don't sleep very well.
No. Do you wake often during the night?
Several times, yeah.
And what do you think the reason behind that is?
My mind doesn't shut off at all. I'm constantly thinking of scenarios with my friends and what I'm gonna say.
Does this happen often?
Yeah, most nights. Actually, every night. Yeah, every night.
Alright. How do you feel about meeting new people?
I'd rather not.
How do you feel when you meet new people?
Anxious? I don't know. I don't want to be there. They may not like me.
How do you feel about social situations in a general sense?
I feel nervous. I try to avoid social situations.
Avoid them, all right. Because you think you might embarrass yourself, or they may judge or criticize you, you fear their rejection?
Yeah, exactly.
Do you ever experience negative thoughts?
Sometimes when I'm in a situation where I could fail.
All right, do you experience any other physical symptoms during these situations?
Clammy hands. My face gets hot. I feel like my legs are about to give out. My heart beats really fast, and I blink a lot.
How do these symptoms interfere with your day-to-day life, do you think?
It's making my relationships with my friends and family more difficult. I feel like people are losing patience with me so easily.
Why might they be losing patience with you?
Because I don't really want to go out with them.
All right. Well, I think I have enough information to present a diagnosis. It appears that you've been suffering from social anxiety disorder, also known as social phobia. How does this make you feel now that you know?
Well, a little anxious because there's something wrong with me, but also a little relieved because I know why I'm feeling the way I am and why I act.
Nicola, you must know that there is nothing wrong with you, and this is far, far more common than you think it is. Now regarding treatment, I suggest 2 weeks of group therapy, well every 2 weeks, and individual therapy once a week for the next 6 months. After that, we'll reconvene and decide whether any further treatment is needed. Is that alright with you?
Yeah.
Nicola, you must know that there is nothing wrong.
What did we do that for? Yeah. It's Dr. Lauren.
Anytime, doll, anytime.